Welcome to our live stream, live coverage of SOS and a few other assets, Dogecoin, name it. We're just going to have a quick coverage of all of them right now. So we are looking at SOS. It's retracing by 2.56% currently. You can see what's going on here. It's significantly dropping based on this 1 minute live feed we're getting now. Momentum is flat. MACD is seriously below or significantly below the signal line, and retracing further. Yes, thank you very much for joining us in this live session. So SOS down 2.3% currently. So while we're there, we just quickly have a look at Ptix. Ptix is up 36.9, roughly 37%. You can see what's going on here. There must be some news out there, but we haven't gotten it yet. So let's quickly look at Doge. We're not going to find Doge here. We will just come over here and look at Doge here. You can see Doge. This is a 1 minute feed. Doge is trading in between. It's just slightly above its short-term trend lines. This is the 20-day. This is the 10-day. So Doge, obviously, must have heard that Elon Musk called it a hustle, So, but you decide. You know best whether he is wrong or not. So one of the main attractions of Doge is because of the fact that it's still pretty much affordable at the moment. A lot of people can get involved before the sheep, or the asset skyrockets and becomes too expensive for people to get involved currently. So we're looking at the 1 minute feed right now. Retraced and traded below $0.49. Currently now it's at 0.4946 at the moment. So let's return and see what's going on. See, this protogenic has lost some value at the moment. So the other stocks we're also looking at: LEDS, semi-LEDs. It's up 50%, extending and extending and extending. My momentum is very strong. MACD above the signal line and extending as well. And then we have Ccxi lost 60% during the last trading session. That was the session of the 7th of April, May 2021. We can see now it has gained up roughly 5%, 6%. That is definitely expected. A stock that lost so much value in one session, there's a good chance that it might extend in the next one. So this is what's going on right now. It's extending. So let's look at its daily model and see where it is at the moment. You can see this is the daily model, trading at a huge discount to everything, all of its trend lines. You can see that, all of them. Momentum for that daily model is flat, very poor. Might be still above the signal line, below the signal line. So technically it's an excellent buy. A lot of indicators would have been ringing once it retraced by that amount, 60%. So this is expected. It's expected that a lot of market participants will jump in and buy up. But I can't tell you if it's a lot, but what is naturally expected is probably at some point it will begin to extend. I think it failed to convince the FDA concerning one of its drugs or whatever it is, but from what we were reading, they were not exactly, they were disappointed to some extent, you know. So then we have Etcg. Etcg is, so let's look at the 1 minute model. Well, I didn't know we could do this. So this is a live feed. Okay, so let's try that on Etcg. Ethereum Grayscale. Ethereum Grayscale obviously is associated with Ethereum. You can see that. Ethereum Grayscale up 21.27% because Ethereum itself has gained some value right now. So this is Doge. This is Doge. Doge is still where it is, below the 50-day trend line and above the short-term trend lines. So let's go ahead and look at SOS. SOS is down 4% right now. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute model. That was a more active feed over there we saw. So SOS down 3.61%. Let's return on Ptix. Ptix. Oh, trading halted. Yes, photogenic. Trading halted. Let's see. The stock is expected to retrace from this high. This usually happens when stocks are halted. Let's see. Okay, trading halted on photogenic, extended by we have an extension of 70.89%. So let's see what's behind this extension. Ptix. Ptix. Okay, trading is halted. Let's has market cap of $29.4 million. You can see as at the 5th, the stock was, as at the 6th of, which is Thursday, the stock was trading below all of its trend lines, I believe, all of them. 50-day trend line is only trying to appear. Let's just see it up there. So at that price, 196, the opportunity was missed, you know. And since then, it has run up a huge amount of gain. You can see number of shares short, 571,000. 52 number of shares previous month, 605,000. Shares outstanding is 13.781 million. So we don't have any current news concerning Ptix. That's serious. Okay. So trading halted. Let's see what's going to happen. All indicators are very much bullish. Let's look at the daily model and see what's going on there. This is the daily model. We can see it's approaching the 20-day trend line so far. And on the daily model, it is also has a decent amount of momentum as well. So let's return to the daily model. Let's see what's going on this. It's flat. Okay, while we wait for it and see what's going to happen, we see what's going on with SOS. SOS down 3.32% currently. You can see Dogecoin is extending, trading above all of its trend lines, but just retraced. Just clean off a bit. So let's look at other assets here. We have Bitcoin. No change there. Okay, let's see if we can refresh this. Okay, we're seeing some. Okay, yes. SOS down 4.81% currently. Momentum is flat. Okay, let's see what's going on with LEDs. Semi-LEDs up roughly 38% currently, trading in between its short-term trend lines. The signals are all very much bullish, but the momentum is currently flat at the moment. MACDs are below the signal line because the stock is trading below the 10-day model at the trend line, I believe. So let's have a look and see what's going on with Ptix. Ptx trading still halted. Just want to let the stock breathe a little bit. Okay, trading still halted on Protogenic. So let's have a look at Ccxi. Chemocentrics up 4.68%. This is a stock that lost 61% in the last trading session. Etcg, Grayscale, Ethereum up 14.18%. The founder of this ETF also used to trade Doge, and he recently left the asset and said he's moving back to Bitcoin. So let's see what's going on with Doge. Doge is retracing now below all of its trend, all of its short and intermediate trend lines currently. Okay, we got one like. Thank you very much. We can't seem to find any news concerning Ptix. Maybe that's why, amongst other things, the trading has been halted for the stock. Ptix. Okay, well, trading lifted. It's up 85% and going crazy. Let's try this trade type T, thick. Okay. Momentum is very strong. MACD just slightly below the signal line because the trading was halted. The stock has now since caught up with the 10-day trend line has since caught up with the stock, but the stock is extending again, up 84% and increasing. So Doge is retraced below all of its short and intermediate trend lines currently. So let's see what's going on. Oh, Protogenic up 112% and extending. Crazy. Let's see if we can find any news concerning this Protogenic Therapeutics. Photogenic Therapeutics. Let's see if we can find any news. Okay, it says here this is 10 hours ago. This is 2 hours ago. Okay. See, on our parent, no news. You see, shares are sitting over 15% higher this morning on no apparent news. Yeah, I guess that's why they've been halting it and all that. So let's see where it is going out now. 105% now. Okay, let's see what's going on with SOS. SOS is down 5% currently, retracing. Etcg is up 12.79%. Grayscale Ethereum. So we can always have a look and see what's going on with Ethereum as well. So we can find out what's going on with Ethereum here. Okay, Ethereum is nicely extending, but currently trading below its, or rather slightly in between its short and intermediate trend lines. Yeah. Yeah, so since this ETF is associated with Ethereum, it will be doing well, I suppose. So that's why it's up 11.52% currently. Okay, Ptix has lost some value, just cooling off a bit. It's on the move again. As at the 6th of May, you can see that even outside the 7th of May, when that session closed, the last session closed, there was a good buying opportunity. You can see that it was trading below all of its short and intermediate trend lines there. But obviously not everybody saw that opportunity, and we have an extension. As such, those who got involved have enjoyed it, are enjoying it right now. So we're looking at an extension of roughly 92% currently. Okay, so we might just have to call it a day. We're just going to try our best and return and cover the live session again and cover probably other stocks, you know. So thank you very much for joining us in this session. We really had to